Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create a lens in Salesforce Einstein Analytics Studio. So first log into developer edition of Einstein Analytics and then click on app launcher. After that we will open Analytics Studio. Okay, that should open in new window, and here we have to check for all items within the dashboard. Okay, so first let it load, and once loaded you will find left hand sidebar that has a link for all items. So here you see browse all items, we choose datasets, and then let's choose DTC opportunity. Okay, when we open it, it creates a new lens. Okay, now here we can add some measure, something like, let's say we add sum and then amount. Okay, then we can remove count of rows, and we have sum of amount here. Okay, so to rename this, simply save this. Okay, here we can name my new lens, save it. Okay, as you can see, now your lens is saved. Okay.